DIY denim coasters. Upcycle old jeans into rustic home decor. So, why denim coasters? Denim is tough and durable, adding a perfect rustic charm to any space. Plus, every coaster is one of a kind, totally unique. Materials and tools you'll need: denim scraps, cardboard fabric, glue scissors, or a rotary cutter. Ruler cutting mat felt for the base. And if you want to get fancy buttons, embroidery thread, even leather scraps for embellishment. Segment 3. Crafting your denim coasters. Step-by-step shots. Cutting denim, gluing layers, adding details. Step 1. Cut your denim into circles or squares about 4 inches across. Step 2. Cut your cardboard to the same size and glue the denim on top. Step 3. Get creative. Add hand-stitched details, buttons, or any embellishments you like. Finishing touches and display for beautiful denim coasters for a polished look and to protect your furniture. Glue a layer of felt to the bottom of each coaster. Let everything dry completely.
That's it!
You've just created stylish, sustainable home decor from something that might have ended up in the trash. If you enjoyed this upcycling project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable DIY. Let's turn waste into beauty one stitch at a time.